You have to start now.
Yes, sir. Uh, uh, Two aged person cross the road, and the road signal bus and other vehicles are stopped
Mm-hmm.
when
Good
the
job.
two person are crossing the road.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, my voice will मेरी
Mm-hmm.
आवाज आ रही है आपको?
बिल्कुल आ रही है, बिल्कुल आ रही है. Good job.
Yes, sir. Uh, One person are standing in front of the fitness center. I think that is a security guard to
Mm-hmm.
secure the person which are coming in the fitness center.
Mm-hmm.
And the other side, bus stand,
Mm-hmm.
to one teacher and two student are waiting for a bus.
Mm-hmm.
And
Good
near
job.
the two student, one more, and near the two students, one student are more
Mm-hmm.
standing for a bus. But the students are not talking with the teacher because they respect their teacher,
Good.
or in either they don't know about the teacher in our school or not.
Good job.
And in other side, at the front of home,
Mm-hmm.
one couple is standing here,
Mm-hmm.
and we assume the name like Ali and Alia.
Good
Uh,
job.
Ali and Alia,
Mm-hmm.
the Alia are forced to their husband to purchase something like fruits and different vegetables.
Mm-hmm. Good job.
And in other side of the picture is that is I am seeing the Chinese restaurant.
Mm-hmm.
Chinese restaurant. Two females are standing here. One female asking to the other that I like the noodles. Why you don't like? Why you are not like the noodles?
Mm-hmm.
But the other female asking, I am like the fruits or vegetables or natural things.
Mm-hmm.
But the other female who like the noodles, they are try to convince that they are come with me to eat fast food like this.
Mm-hmm. Good.
And in other side, the code are also present in this picture.
So
And
why the Alia is not to convince I need just a fast food. So what she is to convince him for what kind of and the method they applied for to convince them you have to eat the fruits and vegetable like these kind of things. So as you know, what are kind of they are discussing regarding the fast food or the nature food.
let's suppose Alia is one female that like the fast food, and other is Alina that is
Mm,
like the natural food. Then I start Alia asking to Alina, mm, I am both of them going to restaurant and eat noodles like fast food. But Alina asking, I don't interested or I am not eating fast food. I am interested for eating in fruits and vegetables.
good
Fruit
job.
and vegetable. But Alia convinced that the fast food are ready. I am just going to restaurant. I am sitting just in 5 minutes. The ready food are prepared in front of us,
Mm,
and I am eating and full as compared to fruits and vegetables going to home, then ready or prepare the food and then eating.
okay, Mr. Babar, you have to write down as you are pronouncing the vegetable. It's not the vegetable. You have to pronounce like the vegetable. Pronounce it vegetable.
Vegetable,
Mm.
vegetable,
You have to pronounce
vegetable,
like and
vegetable.
she's wants to eat the vegetable. Hmm?
Yes,
Vegetable.
sir.
Pronounce it.
Vegetable. Yes,
Mm.
sir. Vegetable.
Like this. Now include these words in your conversation.
Yes, sir.
And now you have to use these words, the vegetable, utilize in story the vegetables for the memorize in your memory how to pronounce this word.
Mm, yes, sir.
Mm-hmm.
Alia, Alina asking to Alia, vegetable and other natural things are good for our health
Mm-hmm.
and it is best for us.
Mm-hmm.
And they and the sorry and Alina are trying to different aspects to agree the Alia for using for purchasing the fresh vegetables or
Mm-hmm.
fruits
Okay,
for
good.
different mm, for different benefits of these natural.
All right. Then.
Then and the other side, both are present in this picture, and one person who are standing two or three boxes move to the other side,
Good
and
job.
the embassy are also present in this picture
Mm-hmm.
because the flag are
Mm-hmm.
standing
Yes, yeah, the flags
i-
are. Mm,
standing in the
mm-hmm.
of US embassy,
Good.
or in other words, the US flag are standing in front of embassy.
Good job.
And the weather of this community are very clear. I see
Mm-hmm.
this one that is in one side sunshine will be here, and
Mm-hmm.
the cloud are also present in this picture, and some birds are flying from
Mm-hmm.
one side to the other, and the aeroplane are also fly to the flying in front of me.
Mm-hmm. Good
Mm,
job. And then, okay, Mr. Mr. Barber,
yes, sir.
and hopefully, and today our lecture is going well, and you have to satisfy from yourself, and now you can able to speak confidently as you have to compare me as wonderful. I'm very appreciated your efforts and as you are learning and in a 1 week and hope if you will you have and if you will spend our 3 months so you can speak very confidently and then I will make your video and then upload on our channel so as you have seen your old videos as I have uploaded on channel YouTube channel as you have watched these videos.
No, sorry, sir. I cannot watch the videos, but the link you share the WhatsApp,
I
I
have
can
shared
see the link.
I have shared in group. I have shared in group multiple
Sorry.
times.
Yes, sir.
You have to
Yes, sir.
must watch it. Mm,
That's link I am watching. I am listening the videos.
Good job. Then,
Just you share the group. All the videos are not listen in your
okay,
channel. In your channel.
okay, good job. And now I would like to wind up our class. And now I want to go for the